After preparing a flash drive with Manjaro, I will reboot my Beelink Mini S pressing F7. So I select USB, I boot with the open source drivers, I wait some time. It will load some instructions. So after loading the live environment, you will click for installation. You will select your language. In my case, I am Brazilian, so would be Portuguese from Brazil, but I choose American English for practicing more the English. So for this reason, you have to be connected to the internet for do the installation. So at this part I am selecting the language. Next, you set the place, see if everything's fine. You set your keyboard style. My keyboard style is about my place, Brazil. I choose erase disk. You can also install by side about other system, but I prefer to erase everything. I select for have a swap file, ext4 style. Check the SSD I will install and next. Some things like name, passwords. You have the main password and the administration account password. The super user, SU. Later I will talk about it. So next. Everything, the variables, install. Install now. And wait. Neither so slow nor fast. Normal installation. I'm using a M2 SSD. While it's installing, why I choose Linux? Because Manjaro is very fast, very nice to work with. It's not heavy, so one reason. You have a lot of plugins, great plugins for free, from Colv, from X42, and from LSP plugins. So another reason. You can install Ardor for free. It's a great DAW. Depending of the plugins you install, the options you install, you can turn into a composing DAW too. Why not? For example, Surge XT is a nice thing to install. As you can see, 93% at this time. I cut the video, okay, edited, all done. So restart now, done. We reboot the system with Manjaro running about my Beelink. You can install using DVD or flash drive using Rufus. Already installed. Everything is set up, or almost. Everything set up about my system, but not about the rest of the variables. So start. You type console with K. SU of super user. So you type the password about administration. Pacman is the option, the way I am writing. Install Calv, LSP plugins, LV2, and you can install two X42 plugins. They are great. You type Y of yes. And sure, you have to install Ardor. So opening Ardor, you select the options. As you can see, I'm setting up my input and output device about my UMC 404 ADD. The buffer size was not accepted, so I will try another one. Detail. Be careful about the super user because it's very powerful account, so don't use it without security, okay? If you install X42 plugins, you will have X42 digital peak limiter, is very good, with DBTP option. Very nice. So as you can see, a lot of options for free.